2024 DJs, we spend everybody. Start up one time then.
Get them ready, show them what we do.
Talk to me, I'm not ready. Yo, DJ, like Reggie. Right now we are about to start something sick and wild, yeah? Sick. Yo, Reggie, there we go.
Get them ready, show them what we do.
Sha la 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 la, whatever it takes. Sha la 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 la, whatever it takes. Just put it on me, I'll be there when you wake. My lovey dovey, wipe the tears off your face. That's how you do it best. Now walk and lift your chest. Know the mass your baby's flex. That's why they charge up to the resist. Too much I run, just put the job in a rage. Hachuka, pull oil in my face. Play mass like no one cares. Cause life is never fair. To chop, moving pairs. Impress every chop in the game. She come to me with she problem, like only me what will solve them. She left, she man couldn't manage. She say it's a fad and barrage. A savage and she want to win. I beat it up like a chomina. I beat it up like a chomina.
Wash up the bones. Show me the bones.
Now green. Yeah. Hey.
What?
Chavalika. Keep calm and walker. 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 Open up for the limousine. I hope the garage is clean. Chop and no fishy thing. He want to jump between, so he mash the X and he turn the key. Limousine in your PPP. Auntie, sister and granny. Well, I want it up the whole family. When I mash the gas and I rev out. Good day, she ball out. Eyelash and the weave and follow it. Nails scatter all out. I mash the gas and I rev out. Good day, she ball out. Eyelash and the weave and follow it. Nails scatter all out. Chavalika. Keep calm and walker. 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 She reach out and she run away. Come in the band to play Juve. Even see her she pelt in waist. No behavior in this place. So the truck girl getting on. The job that go start a scam. Like Jet Li and
Watch it. Short leg. Watch it, my name is Baggy. I set a check. I forced to play soccer. Let me tell you what is soccer.
Never know a human could have fly until I drink the rum and then I try.
Watch me! Not living clean!
Alright, Lee?
Alright. So this one body. This one real body. Get you with this one. But let me see if you get you. What is it? Let me play this one right now. Let me play some muscle out that little thing right now. What is the problem? She said she like it. See? I don't go anymore. Say no more.
What? So who in there wrong here? If Blacker and Deadly win there wrong here, put your 2 hands in here. If Baggy win there wrong here without race, put your 2 hands in here. If Lee win there wrong here, put your 2 hands in here. Lee again.
DJ Lee, your best damn self. Hold on. Hold on. I don't care what nobody said. DJ Lee, born and he born a black cat. That was a listen to me. Ladies. Hold on. Ladies. If you know you make your nice beard and everything fresh and clean, I wanted to do this.
All right, Baggy, are you your turn?
Let me come and laugh. Seriously.
Let me see what's going on.
Them bother following me. Or you change the thing. Oh, do something for me now. Do something for me.
You think it's so we go. Bring me a last name. On to them.
See them jumping soon?
Morning.
What's it?
Marry. I is a farmer, walking on in the land. I planted me shut up and I planted me provision. But yet some people know what they find go easy. I know me no gas because I use it on the tree.
Is it Delhi?
To flex, make me get angry.
Is this like Delhi?
So I cannot see. All the time I'm walking, the lazy man never know.
Listen.
They want to take it from her, make him a happy show. And I Delhi. In Milan.
I said it's Delhi.
In Milan, go about me.
Watching the man.
Wait.
Select Lee. Come here, where you have now.
We start to kill them boy, then they start to make remix. To an artist now from DJ. Watch. We gonna bring it back from when Clash that. Hey, listen. We start the thing for real now. Let's take ya. Hey, me not say no more again.
Anybody say MC Blacker? Yeah. And then you win that wrong, get 2 hands in here.
Yeah.
Baggy win that wrong, get 2 hands in here. Lee win that wrong, get 2 hands in here.
Yeah. Short line. Let me tell you something. Lee don't win the thing here.
Lee again.
Lee big up yourself.
How much is it?
Yeah.
How much is it?
Listen to me.
Lee win 5.
Let me tell you something.
Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate.
Let me tell you.
Say you try this thing. One in your head from the damn fan drum. We no give fun.
Yeah. So Baggy are here too.
Your turn. Lee, what are you doing? Me. Take your time. Take your time. Lee, if not sure to talk about the new love man, well, I'm going to tell you something.
Oh, we heard the bad man, you know. Boy, violate and play, see, you know.
You're selected.
Anybody miss them? Life is a thing again. You know, say you know what is in the eagle.
Don't talk.
Lee, hold on.
Yeah, you know.
The cat don't talk, listen. The people dead. They wanna jump up and prance. Now we play something now.
Yeah, you know.
The people want to jump up and prance. Let me get in the ball.
So here we're gonna lead on win the clash already. We lead on win the clash already. Only give you a round of applause, sir. I'm out to 7 4th Street. Yeah. So big up all the other DJs them though. Only give the young DJs them a round of applause, please, sir. Yeah. So lead second in the clash. What any song that you want to play?
Okay, I'm ready.
So any song that you want to play, who get the most forward, come in second. There we go. Yeah.
Look the mic, let me do a test. Yes. Let me do a test. These things are not living clean. Anytime you see me in full suit and black, a job me come to play. Once we come to play, all who love green and can't grow up with the man big, put your 2 hands in the motherfucking air right now. Loud, let it go.